Okay, Fambulem una kabo. Today na another day, and today we come with a very different style for make we go able for discuss issue them very fast. Justin, we get plenty things them today, but I will honestly want for we base this particular discussion on three keywords them, and these now the words them where the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, the words them where he use the term where the president meet with the diplomats them inside the State Lodge, the Presidential Lodge.
As you are aware, our President, His Excellency Dr. Julius Madabio, prides his administration on constructive dialogue, consultation, and wider participation.
I tell you, say, they reggae the play. This na big word. When you get all of their words there, so what it mean for governance system? It means say the government very effective. People they not go grumble too much. But family la just ask una, and I want for una put this particular comment. I mean the answer where they ask una below na the comment section. This government, it really they run on constructive dialogue, it they run on consultation, and it they run on wider participation. Anyway, what do you think about that? They put your comments down now the comment section. We go happy for Yari for Muna.
Can't talk about things where they happen. Are we on sweet yard salon? I know we we left for do them bad things them. We they feel a more salon. I know we had Famul. Mina Ali Sisi. Mina Usman Justin. This na you yard. Once a plenty thank you to the one that will subscribe to our channel and we don't like, comment and share with video. And we want to say plenty thank you to una we get the patience for go na YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, click with video them. Burn una credit for support we watch with video them. Who tell una plenty thank you. If you just to join me today, we want to say do ya press the subscribe button and then you press the notification bell. So anytime we post the video, you will be amongst the first people then we go get with video then.
Yes, subscribe. You always the watch we program them, but you not subscribe it to the channel. All what you get for do, press this red subscribe button and then you come over here and press this bell. So the bell option, press this one with all. It don't done. It no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you the support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don't help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you. But before we go into them, three things they have to hold up highlight so today. I want to go quick one inside Bo. What thing they happen a Bo?
Well, Fambulem, we don't know if this thing it don't tell where it happen, but not so in the issue now. We concern the happen where it happen, not in our concern. We get video where they go around the social media where one pa we call himself grandpa to this Pekin. He take this Pekin and put her inside a room. Do mommy and daddy business. From that, we know able to anything come up towards that inside Bo.
Anyway, if you don't ever see this particular video, please, we want to let you watch it right now.
And you come before I come.
You fuck the beginning to show. Explain give me how the thing happen exactly. How it happen.
Well, the beginning, it just let me tell me I do. So, so go to phones. Then picking a card.
Talk loud.
They say that the mom and the granny rest look out. They say, well, when I can't go inside. So the guy you think go inside, they also lock. So now they call me, they say they also lock on, now open the house. So now I open the house, I enter inside, I open the other one. Now you enter. The three will enter.
Yes.
So now I will now, they are fucker.
You hold the picking, fuck the picking.
Yes, sir.
Now you wait till that picking it. Now you can picking bang bang bang. Now you picking where you born. You picking where you born, I'm born that picking it. You sure say that you picking I'm born that picking it. You can picking bang bang, now you go lead on. How you feel where you go with that? You know, you be not saying about it. You be really not saying about maybe you do. What you do say not fine, bang bang. No so. I see it up. Where they talk. You be not saying about it. You not so. Where they love it, you can picking not so. But how you feel now? Where you don't with your own picking? How you feel? How you feel when you do with your own baby? You say self with my soul. You don't can picking. You picking where you born. How you feel when you do with that? You not say bad. You not fine. Not so. Waiting in name. Sir, waiting. Sangegba. Waiting and picking in name. When are you picking? You own picking. You own picking. You can picking. No so.
Well, we are get concerned over this video. The way and manner where they do this video not go down well with Riyadh. How? Now two concerns we get over this video we not just don't watch. One, the way how the soldier man and the other people them do the video on this incident, wherein they show the pikin and show the grandpa where do this thing to him. We not get problem for show the grandpa, but we feel say it no matter for show this pikin inside this video. Now you don't expose them to point finger because this video not a video get for all. Anytime when this video come up, people they point finger to this pikin. If even it don't grow tomorrow, and some of them think that they leave somebody for do bad thing to himself. He either kill himself or he left that country tomorrow. He go find himself outside again for go suffer.
Because the thing now, we know say young people them, you know, teenagers them at some point and go get for the make boast by themselves. And if these people make boast, you go meet up somebody will not get hurt. You know, when you say one for score goal, it go come up and say, "Bo, not so them been do to you, not so you grandpa go lead with you." All of them funny things and it. So some thinking day when we want for use. We phones them for do certain things that we necessarily know they get information, but some information and you get for where and look how it will get for affect this particular person if we bring out this video because we don't see Justin right now. The social media, the phone don't make you the get accidents now. The person where they did near you, it came for save you. But because he won't be the first person for video and send them out, it is team up the video while she suffer till you die. Hey, social media, this is now
everybody not journalist. Everybody now reporter.
Well, citizen journalism, we still say in fact, it don't even cover the mainstream journalists there right now. But hey, it cause some problem. We get for really know. Because now he make deliberately we not agree for bring the part where then the interview this speaking. Because we know one for mix but that kind today for able for make late point finger fix for that picking day. We know one for do that day. But anyway, we just pass inside that quick one. Justin.
Then we jump to other points. We're very interesting now we had.
Yeah, wait, all interesting for you. Waiting come up again.
You know say we get concerned of anything where they happen now we had.
Can you listen?
This now other bomb.
And not gonna make people and die.
No. This now just parliament bomb within itself.
Oh,
Well, ladies and gentlemen, meet with the wonderful Honorable Guevao. We know they go deep into the issue. Una just watch her first before we can explain you now what's happen inside the matter.
We want you sabi Honorable Guevao in face. Ladies and gentlemen, and also when I don't see Honorable Guevao, when I don't know him, when I don't see him face, that fine guy, he's so black and fine, a tall, fine lawyer, not lawyer by the way. Honorable Guevao, not lawyer. Powerful guy. But why we count Honorable Guevao to Ona today?
Well, Fambulem, this Honorable just on display na the screen. Now the Honorable will come out and tell in copy parliamentarian and say, he gets 50 million. This 50 million, you know they use them for go give in people them, we send them for go represent them all. He want to use this 50 million for bribing copy Honorable them so that then they sit on the spend no check issue where just be they go around. I think that now they want to put her inside the game, sober one, inside the pauper circle.
But wait, What about if na joke, be the joke with in company?
Well, it can be saying a joke. It can be saying any other thing. But let's listen to her first.
I am making this audio because I really want this nonsense to stop. We call ourselves honorable members. I have the right to joke with my colleagues as and when I want to joke with them. If I tell anybody that I have $50 million for my colleagues by way of joke, you take it out of context, that is your cup of tea. As far as I'm concerned, you can report me to any anti-corruption commission. You can report me to any CID. I am able, ready, and willing to go to them at any point in time to tell them that yes, I posted it. I am the one who posted it under my hand, but I was joking. Let them go and find out from any institution who gave me 50 million loans. I really don't care. This just shows how diabolic all of us are. When we see each other, we start showing each other teeth. I posted it. I will never deny that I did not post it. I posted it on the forum that I, Honorable Geva, I have 50 million loans, and our colleagues who want it should pivot me on my private number. And I am repeating it again. I have 50 million loans on me, my money. Anybody who wants it to sit on the pre-legislation, come, I will give it to you. Take it to anti-corruption, take it to CID. I'm ready and able to go and answer to their questions, okay? And if you don't take it there, whosoever is distributing it, distribute this one as well. If you don't take it there, you are not a patriot. I am the one who said it, that I have it. It is my money, I have it. Go and investigate now the person who gave it to me, or get anti-corruption to investigate the person who gave me 50 million loans, or I don't have the right to have 50 million loans.
Can we go any side you want? Can we go? Nothing in Komo BND. I'm not fit forget 50 million.
Well, we not to get problem with this honorable with na joke or na any other thing. But you get for members say the Attorney General be they prepare one document where they for bring a parliament. When they all get for can sit down and talk about this document, the document they try for tell we, but they spend no check. How they for can spend corona money as they be they oppose how the past government spend Ebola money. What we all know say now the campaign where they bring to the people of Sierra Leone. Now this document for can talk that they're not for check them. They for just spend corona money. It left go buffing, how they do, how they not do, nobody know for check them. And then I don't cut you, this honorable don't come up with this 50 million talk. That don't tell me and you say, this now one part the honorable them, where one can campaign copy honorable them, when this document can a parliament, may they just agree to wait till the Attorney General put that document.
Let me tell you something. I've been don't cover parliamentary, procedures them, different parliamentary committee. Now most times can they, sometimes can they can don't tower, like for example the Public Accounts Committee or the Finance Committee go down tower say no, we no go agree for this, we no go agree for this. You go see them and say okay, all the journalists then come on and do, or the minister or the permanent secretary go down by the time they come back, all thing they don't agree. Waiting happen, waiting not happen, you can understand now. So this, I think, it don't make this statement for the public in idea. It make up for letting company go aware. And this not the regular way they happen inside parliament. But oh yeah, this it happen for say now the parliamentarians and say anything will happen and they pull and do. I don't know what thing they happen no. 50 million loans for let them allow parliament for sell with country to the government. What do we mean? President and in government for spend money 50 fata when they don't say we don't spend this money now no more they not go show we out they waiting at the breakdown for spend
no check.
Spend no check. But you remember one time in the where they mean one for they say when the president they fly if for spend they not for check how much they spend by triple.
Well,
and the same thing they want
now because they missed that one day they don't turn around now for bring them in corona money.
So you see, this is not the question. People in the doubts, they be always they say, the corona na salona for let them make money, then say no. So on earth, caretaker bio, if you really like the people, you get the country in the heart. Why you Attorney General of all people for say, let them care go this particular document na parliament for let them go allow una for spend money without una no explain how una do am.
But Ali, why make most of the time where things then they come up, now this present regime, you did doubt. Would they live on power?
No. Because the president say he want for be transparent. So why you want for the keep game by people then?
You see transparency from the one?
Yes, then transparent. Because then they tell me say
they can't put you on the list. I can't put you on the list.
Whose list?
No, me, I gave me list. I don't put you there already. You don't answer me, say you of all. You see transparency from the one, no problem.
Hey, caretaker,
I don't
make
put
a shame. You're not transparent. You don't make a shame for justice. Why would I forget this thing? Okay, no, they don't take that thing there back. Attorney General ain't just do another, the caretaker no be no. They don't do all the document but they say they don't mix again.
It choked me. Let left there.
So if this thing, they say, not tell me the consultation. So if this thing not be leak, the people them now so for just sit on one day they say the president them for the spend money no more now they need check corona money. Hey, people and the sick, people and the die, blood money. Hey.
And you really find out say plenty money don't come inside because of this corona.
So now this money when they want spend, they don't want to explain how they spend.
Well, this now the game how they play.
So in the area of consultation, I give you now X, the one where the Minister of Foreign Affairs talk now X. Let's go inside the other one back. Then say constructive dialogue.
You know, one thing with people, always whether people are the one fool we, whether they want, I don't know, rackle we brain, now big English them, then they cow it. Because this one where they put so constructive dialogue. You really know say that the man I don't know.
He say they always engage with people them. If something happen and go call the different parties them and say, Bonalo talk wetin dey happen, Bolo settle this thing. Let nothing not come on there. But one na one, low down there. Everybody bring your idea up, then talk about them and then they move forward. Then a constructive dialogue. But we find out say things then don't happen. The issue from Lonsal, Tombo, Feredugu and other side them, Pademba Road. Me people them, let ask una back and I want follow and put this down at the comment section. The government don't ever sit down and dialogue with who that send the point finger pan. I think say the answer now, I don't know. You tell me down. Because what thing I say, from where this thing all happen, when the caretaker come, people they begin say, caretaker, this time you need for behave like you know soldier man. Now I say yes, that's not true. Now you can see don't so. Now the one they win a wall peace and security go on well. Where they bring and terrorist acts, now this be country. The APC we could deal with them serious one. You see that in a constructive dialogue.
You sure?
Yes.
You sure you don't misuse the word?
Now constructive dialogue because for when we they come and talk say terrorists then at the country, we in a constructive dialogue.
Ali, not make a look low upon you.
Why?
Constructive dialogue.
Yes.
You can't tell people where you already don't point finger at say now they're responsible for all entire way they happen. Say they're not terrorists. How you feel say they feel.
I be don't call them false for those sit down and talk, but they not come.
It doesn't.
No, they come, but they not say anything.
It doesn't matter. You na head of state. You the head of house. If something happen between you and your neighbor, you call him one time, he not come. Call him again for the second time. You as a leader, not forget bigot. You as a leader, not forget what I'm at.
But if they pass mark.
You need for call them back.
No, them pass mark. They don't tell if per way.
And then what they doubt me more? Why the president always focus on one green party when an APC?
Because now we target.
But we get NGC also in our opposition.
No, they're small.
We get C4C in our opposition.
No, they're small. APC now they want with power.
You sure?
We not go allow them for take this thing like that. They're not terrorists, and we go make sure say we run after them one by one and give them mob justice.
Well, me Fambulem, we dey mock this situation, and we ready for mock and say go, because this to me, it don't make sense. You understand? When you talk of dialogue, you get for do that at the right time. But waiting we don't see. Things that don't happen. You get the lima, you get people who don't stand at the party office, point fingers at the APC. You get other young men who don't pull video, point finger, Everybody where they come,
So
they point finger.
why this thing they hurt you? If we point finger upon now, waiting now on a problem.
No, them. You don't know who side I belong.
I not care. Now you need talk.
Eh?
Yes.
Yeah, because
and
me
last
na
time
you
you something.
patriot.
When you grab na ya, I dey make sure say I know your address. And I find your telephone number.
You know,
if I'm not able to get you, I dey make sure say I will send or
not forget me address. Me, I dey live inside Bome. As you go there, they meet me.
So you dey give me back talk now?
No, they live inside Bome.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's tell you something again. You remember the diplomatic meeting where the caretaker all with 10 diplomats then? Let's tell you one thing where the caretaker. Are there any people in the talk say they don't molest himself because they don't call certain people and terrorists, and the diplomat and don't ask him for give evidence? He said they're still there under investigation. Not to that day. We caretaker don't tell the diplomats then say and not able for handle the situation of the country. Tell the diplomats then say they need, after we don't talk say them believe in constructive dialogue. It tell them say we not able for talk to them people there. Do ya? Una call them, let we all sit down and discuss. Ladies and gentlemen, my brother and sister them. Let's tell una something. When you papa na host, he get in picking them, he weft them na host. He not able for handle the situation. He go call the neighbor say, I can't talk to them. What in that they mean? It not mean say you not able for control or for talk to UF. It not mean say una not see eye to eye. Now that it don't simply tell them. So what in are this thing about independence where we claim say we can't be independent?
No, we still depend.
No.
We still depend.
No, we just want to tell a normal say una talk the case for we. On earth, from the colonial days, we don't believe say anything will happen inside we country, pass we call, use the word international community for help we. Papa Godfather. Who stem something don't happen in America? Where Donald Trump say the international community?
Because they're able to take care of themselves, they're able to take care of their home.
Who stem something don't happen inside France, inside Germany, inside Russia, inside waiting they say the international community? How long we go depend this?
Well, now this I just tell you earlier, Jishno, what I tell you say, you as a leader, you will get house for rule, you not forget that kind of bigot or any other thing. Bottom line, you don't forget that revenging system. You understand? Because that reminds me to the international community, the call where we always they call them. You see one video where they go around back the time where the attempted prison break happened, where somebody come, one prison officer, where they say now irresponsible for make the shoot them, I think so, now the prison. Well now, this don't happen, in just they call the international community for can help we, for can build new prison. Are you kidding me?
Oui.
Something like that one they happen.
We mind
quick, you don't call international community.
We mind not independent yet anyway.
We still depend, now that's how they tell you.
But not to them fault. I think if you hear no more now the press, let's tell you something. Now two things make the caretaker call the meeting with diplomats them. Because if you make them get all the journalists them, now you will not understand. He called the meeting because of two reasons. One for Bega Bega.
As much as COVID is here, I may wish to remind partners that our healthcare facilities are in great need of the necessary medical supplies, equipment, and infrastructure as we continue to deal with maternal and child health, malaria, HIV/AIDS, tuberculosis, and other disease conditions. With regard to COVID-19, we have garnered and used all the resources to support the different pillars that we have created. Now, our medical personnel have recorded impressive successes. We have also used innovative technology solutions and other strategies. We are appealing for support in specific areas. Co-leadership of driving coordination among various pillars and support to strengthen specific pillars within the EOC: testing, logistics, quarantine, administration, risk, communication and social mobilization, and contact tracing. Support for local research and development, especially with local partners like DSTI, support for surveillance and contact tracing, so that our fight is informed by consistent and real-time data to complement local technology solutions and personnel capacity. We would like to equip our workers with devices such as tablets and phones. With respect to the economy, we have launched a quick action economic recovery plan, details of which we shared with the community. Generally, responses have been favorable, although further interventions by our development partners will help stabilize the economic situation and prepare the country for a smoother takeoff after COVID.
He talks inside his statement how the health system they do well, but they need more things there. They need system that they need this and that. We they trying this, we they trying that. I see somebody in a state house they talk say the international community don't praise the government in the corona effect. Yes, not true. But after they praise the government for corona effect, what the next they say? Ladies and gentlemen, on ever hear it? Why then for give blackout, information blackout?
Before I call on our diplomats for reactions, I want to kindly ask the press to leave.
I tell una say the one na for bigger, eh? The number two I don't tell una for tell the diplomats then say he not able for handle any situation where they come up in the country. In a military man, people they don't say they wearing uniform. So all they can do now for sit down on television or before camera and make soon. All the one them when no one for let peace go on. Waiting with they do. Una all a terrorist. He talk the word na television for his speech. He go back before the one the way he call say diplomats say talk the same word. Hey me, I don't shame. But wait, I want ask a question. The caretaker where people let me vote for 90s?
I don't know.
Yeah, on a no. Now the caretaker where they vote for 90 also still?
I don't know.
Or for say they don't make clone, the one they just making complicated and can put at the real one all day.
Me must not reach there, me I don't know.
For say where fly go is still there over saying no return.
I know they what travel.
Look, I don't understand. This not what the kind man where they vote for. We been believe say this person where they vote for na person where believe for all of the three things where the Minister of Foreign Affairs talk. He believe in consultation, in consultative dialogue, constructive dialogue. He believe in consultation and he believe in wider participation. In the area of participation, tell me, almost of the other opposition where they help in terms of the governance. Almost them they don't get something. Been to mandatory the main opposition say they're not a mix. They ever buy them for camp. Consultative, constructive, and wider participation. Ebo. Ladies and gentlemen, may I ask you this back? Need to then me talk. Then treating the aso. Now true say the caretaker no able rule the country again, so they call it and carry pam. Why this idea no go come up away for international community? We dey power would say international community where the ECOMOG they can see wetin dem do civilian there. This are rebel, boom. This are rebel collaborator, boom. Why we not go liberate ourselves from this dependency?
Because we know they copy good things them. Because honestly, if we they copy good things them, we they able man we own situation now we yard we now we country. You understand? But instead of we they able do things the way good, we they do things the way bad. To we serve at the end of the day we harbor for call international committee, call this, call that. But how long as we they say how long?
We spend how many billions per mutukarem? We not remember say the health sectors they need the hospital, the health centers them they need equipment, they need a medicine. Now they can't sit down the bigger back. Hey bo. When Salon will get independent?
What?
Independent. Why? When?
Ask them they waiting now before government business.
Oh Salon. How them call this lady say, oh, my country salon. Waiting they happen so. Nobody no one for no. All man just dip on own. Hey God. Justin.
Fambule, sorry yo. Because this what they talk, inside these 2 years plus, we not get nothing to don't point finger pa. Now either violence, for prison people them.
I agree.
Beat people or innocent people them.
I agree.
Intimidation.
I agree.
So tell me what you the point finger pa.
One, anybody who want to behave like terrorist, will behave like soldier man.
Now one part the thing that we don't achieve.
Yes. Number 2, anybody who want for work will pull out the sack on a
Adele.
Sorry. Number 3, if you know talk me tribe, I know the give you job.
You see?
Number 4, if you feel say where we dey, you know give you chance for no rule.
Number 4 reason.
Now want we power. We dey put now on la Pademba.
Number 4 reason you do. Number 4 reason.
Number 5, if the Pademba hold small self, we dey care una go na Pujon, we dey care una na Kaila, we care una go upline, we go lock una dey, we dey imprison una all.
So now this we vote una for.
Number 5, if una feel say una want for eat, una will go plant for una self.
Now this we rally for.
Make things dem dear pa una.
Now this we rally for.
Ask una. I be ask una for vote for me. Number 7, I the gonna reason tete.
You get for no say 2023.
And where something dey happen at this country also. Anybody want put more today, we dey charge una say una dey undermine we government on our for overthrown we. Pademba road.
Well, this now one of the things that we really are not able to understand.
Don't even understand.
Because it look like say the present government they not for oppose them.
Why for oppose we?
But the past government, they oppose past anything else. Then they do things on social media, then they catch on.
Now them business.
You know?
This na new
but
direction.
all the things here, Fambulem, we see say now, waiting SLPP they do towards APC, during APC their own time. Now, when people them they do towards SLPP, you they either find yourself na prison or you find yourself na courts or you find yourself na various police stations. Then why that for be?
When you talk this so, ladies and gentlemen, Fambolem salon people, I be see one video where we caretaker they tell him be opposition leader. If they address in supporter them say, in for cool, in supporter them not for cool. Then they now you call them incitement. If you been talking about what they write a police case, say they run after you. No, make let people read this. If you not be done right, you read and quick, they come back.
We want to be polite about politics, but we should never forget that politeness in African politics can be a disadvantage.
Yes.
So while I keep my calm, I do not expect you to be calm all the time. I am the leader, I should be calm, but you should not be calm all the time.
Yes.
So, now in this, that for tell you now say, we own papa, we caretaker. He don't begin this incitement thing before he even take the seat. And they don't take the seat, people that they incite from his own party, let's call a spade a spade. People that they incite. We get the Arata. They don't kind of social media display cutlass. We get other people who they pull audio. We get the Attila, where he just there for points finger at people. At the end of the day, the police they go arrest them people there.
Wait, one day somebody been tell me say, one say the one when they write for this caretaker say something they can blunder because I don't know. It can form for right for the caretaker and the person tell me say, bo. If they don't write for yourself, you're a big man. You forget sense for say no, this word are not for talk and this word are for talk.
Of course.
That na fit word eh?
No, it not come by.
If I been the other person, they slap her for gear.
No, it not come by fitiai. The only thing we made the sinner here, nobody not big for correction. You understand? Say you old tick. They for correct you. Not true. Myself like what all this phone so. Not so everything where they are. Where I write, sometimes you don't mistake what they write and why they can't read them are for talking. No.
I want to tell you something.
Talk me kai.
You say you want talking thing, and you talk for talk. Why I put you in a tight place, you not go talk again.
What I do?
You need talk Baku.
Not to be right?
You want to undermine the government?
Huh?
You want undermine we government?
Who's one? The DDP government?
Direction, new direction, power. You want undermine we? You want overturn we?
Wait. For say and not for talk?
What do you want to talk? Now, incitement. You dey incite people then.
What I say?
You dey talk boku, incitement. We will go search your house. So until you get gun day. We go search your house. So until you get computer day.
Now
or until you get former caretaker in picture day.
Now only Gary you go meet na be house. Nothing else. Even rest not the day.
Gary, now you want use for overthrow with government.
Even rest not the day.
You see what they talk? Now the incitement and this one are not like. Now terrorists attack this. Why you for the incite people then?
But waiting that you prove for call people that say they're not terrorists. Waiting that you prove for them able to conclude say them people are not terrorists. Where we understand say they ask you question. Say them people are then they're on investigation. Then already you come to media and tell the people that say they're terrorists.
We're not terrorists. We investigate them. But not terrorists.
Fambulem, this is mix up me bremo.
We don't make fun from where we begin. We'll sit on here, But please, this is very serious. Now, all the things they happen inside Salon so. I'll tell you, one of the one that where they defend the accused people, and the Sylvia Blyden, the Paulo Conte, the lawyer, Adi Macaulay. You know, say they go put on a police station. 3 hours complete and they interrogate and they ask them about question because of one newspaper, online newspaper writes something. Then they go ask her if they give information.
Well,
if he not give information, bro, they lock out.
Well, this I they tell you. Salon don't they Timbado, you know for talk. Tino rot you.
You know for saying nothing. Quick scenario before I go. You know say something will be the play ball, all small. Yeah? The two team then. If we the other team they win we not able for waiting, you know till they continue for play now. With the play foul, take the game done. They say before a ball lay wet, now they happen so. Right now, before a ball lay wet, things don't begin and smell. So what do they do? Anybody can out they flash out the play foul.
But you get for no say if you team not play good and you not play for win. For go to the next level. You know say final they come
we not care. The both foot now not able play final.
Final they come
when they catch all the senior players the both their foot.
The referee and the supporter they not follow they know it in the paper. Then they see.
Okay, let's tell you something before I go. Right now in the commission of inquiry in a corner. And one of the main intention of the commission of inquiry now for make sure say they scrap certain key players them in the political race. But I tell you something, Salon people them. When they sorry for certain people them, Alex na Chris Man them put and they win. I don't see them. When they tire with one thing, he not care that them put. And if you not say the swing voters them na them boku, the one that we not get political party where we dey na who boku. Ladies and gentlemen, for more they practice stay to this term. I not say right now they practice good journalism because na more of my opinion at the give. And mock the situation. So now forget about that day. Great thing are there for right now. Now the people are waiting the people and they speak. Now me they speak. I'm not there by anything like balance this, that, this, and that. I not say certain people are not like me right now. Not to that day. Waiting then are the people in mind now they talk. So if you not like what they do, you are big. Forgive me. But for now, I they do this pet and I they do on this government, next government, other governments, as long as the life and everybody dey. I they do on bets. Once they not put me, say I didn't know one after me. They do and bet. But if you hold me phone again, if you know that number, bet.
Anyway, let me not kill yourself. Fambulem, as we always they say, we had now the program where they for give what you know sabi or what you sabi we not know of. Good one. We had we not care how you call we. As me brother they talk, this what they do, we they do them today and we they do them tomorrow. Now continuation. Anybody we come inside we are on our country. We know they do the good things them. We know they do fine things them. Where the citizens and we the citizens them feel say they're fine. We for enjoy.
No, Ibodande, we could do them continuously.
We for enjoy. We still they come and do this thing. Me where they talk to una, me na Usman Justin. Remember, always subscribe, comments now videos them so we will know it's in your own view, and give it thumbs up. Now that one they no more get for do for we. Until we meet again, now the next program. Stay safe and stay blessed.
I make cooking drebuna na do una journalists them. We una camp meeting. Not all tuna for yeri. The people them waiting one for later and go yeri. But waiting other people and go tell you when are the truth in. Una no go yeri and go satin. Ha ha ha. Hey, how you play the game? Need the action, the bella powder. No.
Una take care no more than no scrap. Na me last word that.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please Corona Day. Make sure say you do the right thing. Nobody contact. Now not follow the leaders them for gather. Because then they go help for less spread. Remember how the Corona they continue for them at the country. Now so thin the triangle. And our business now they go. Now so angry the boku. Hey, election they come. Corona again for be the big excuse. So do the thing way right now so Corona go. Yeah? Until we meet again, my name is Ali Sise. I love you all. God bless alone. Next time. Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All waiting you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. So the bell option, press this one with all. And done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. For make we go able to grow fast and pass this number, all waiting you can do for help, come up outside this 3 dots there, you press there, then the first one you see na share, you press am. Then you go get option for share am na WhatsApp, Facebook, na your Messenger or any other social media platform where you dey. So people them go come and join me na we channel. So more people go get to understand wetin dey happen inside salon and the kind work we dey do. Thank you for you don help me for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.